it with me. Accountability. You know, if people learn how to take accountability more so for the things that they do, life would be so much easier. I promise you. And the only reason why I'm saying that, it's because it's literally something I'm experiencing now in my life. Like, I'm looking back on a lot of the things that I've done, more so in my recent past, and I'm like, oh, Rosetta, we shouldn't have done that. Even if we were right, even if we were justified, we shouldn't have done that. And you know, honestly, when I sit here and I think back about some of the things that I've done and how I played a part in things and where I'm wrong and where I'm taking accountability, there goes that word. Accountability for my own actions. I'm not going to stunt. It makes me feel good only because I am growing. I am learning. I'm growing every day. And you can't grow without taking accountability. And honestly, I kind of feel like if people really sat down and digest their situations and be like, yo, I just realized I'm the one that fucked up. And listen, we're humans. We make mistakes. Sometimes, honestly, we are the blame for situations. And guess what? We probably put people in fucked up situations and didn't know and didn't take accountability for it. You know, it's hard to really look at yourself and be like, yo, shit, this is my fault. Or, you know, even though this situation's fucked up and I really didn't have to get myself into it, and don't get it twisted. Sometimes you get yourself caught up, and like I said, it is people's fault. It really is. But then you have to take accountability for dealing with shit that people put you through. Yes, people are fucked up for taking advantage, but you got to take accountability for allowing people to do things. Because I always tell people, people are going to treat you and do things that you allow them to do. So, like I said, the word was accountability. And a lot of us need to learn how to take accountability. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Get my notifications. Notifications. Get my notifications. Also, guys, I'm so sorry with being late posting this video. Like, I'm super fucking sorry. I've been slacking and I'm taking accountability for that. I've been slacking. But hey, at least it's here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.